Very warm good morning to all students and parents. Subject for today is English. So students, take out your Smart Kids UKG Term 1 book, page number 24. We will learn phonic words. A-P, A-D, A-S. Look and learn. Phonic word A-P, phonic word A-D, phonic word A-S. C-A-P, cap. G-A-P, gap. L-A-P, lap. M-A-P, map. N-A-P, nap. S-A-P, sap. T-A-P, tap. R-A-P, rape. B-A-D, bad. D-A-D, dead. L-A-D, lad. P-A-D, pad. S-A-D, sad. H-A-D, had. M-A-D, mad. G-A-S, gas. H-A-S, has. Now take page number 25. We will write phonic words. Read, trace and write. C-A-P, cap. M-A-P, map. N-A-P, nap. T-A-P, tap. D-A-D, dad. L-A-D, lad. P-A-D, pad. S-A-D, sad. I have written one only, you have to complete this full page. Now take page number 26. Match the word to the picture. P-A-D, pad. S-A-D, sad. G-A-P, gap. M-A-P, map. L-A-P, lap. N-A-P, nap. S-A-P, sap. T-A-P, tap. Now take page number 27. Look at the picture and circle the correct word. Write it on the line. N-A-P, nap. T-A-P, tap. L-A-D, lad. M-A-P, map. P-A-D, pad. C-A-P, cap. D-A-D, dad. S-A-D, sad. Now take page number 28. Look, read and learn. With the help of your parents, read the poem at home. Now take page number 29. We will write, answer the questions. Where is the map? T-H-E, the. M-A-P, map. I-S is. O-N, on. T-H-E, L-A-P, lap. The map is on the lap. You have to complete these 2 lines. What is by the tap? A. C-A-P, cap. I-S is B-Y, by. T-H-E, the. T-A-P, tap. A cap is by the tap. You have to complete this 2 lines. Now fill in the blanks. What is this picture? Dad. D-A-D, dad. Has a lad. L-A-D, lad. Dad has a pad. P-A-D, pad. And a map. M-A-P, map. Now take your 4-line notebooks. We will write in notebook. Phonic words. A-P-A-D-A-S. Now start writing. C-A-P, cap. M-A-P, map. N-A-P, nap. T-A-P, tap. D-A-D, dad. L-A-D, lad. S-A-D, sad. P-A-D, pad. Now turn the page. Recognize the picture and name it. C-A-P, cap. M-A-P, map. T-A-P, tap. P-A-D, pad. S-A-D, sad. Now take next page. Fill in the blanks. Dad has a lad. L-A-D, lad. He is a bad lad. B-A-D, bad. So dad is sad. S-A-D, sad. The map is on the lap. M-A-P, map. A cap is by the tap. T-A-P, tap. Okay students, this was all for today. We will meet tomorrow in the next video. Goodbye.